Hello everyone, this is Abby's Adventure and welcome back to my channel. To those who new to my channel, just call me Abby and I am an OFW working here in Singapore. So for today's video, come with me. We will explore this flower dome here in Singapore. So by the way guys, the ticket for this place is $12. You can go inside there and have picture and selfie with all these flowers. So I've been 7 years here and this is the first time I bought a ticket and go and see inside because of the tulips. So it's not all the time that it's tulip that they display. There's a lot of flowers that they display here. Depends on the theme, but for today's video, it's the theme is called Sea of Tulips. So there you go guys, you see all those different kinds of tulips. Actually the place is very nice, it's air conditioned and it's very crowded, but it's fine because just like I say, it's air conditioned. So I came here alone with just my selfie stick and it's so hard to take picture because of the crowd really, but it worth the price of the ticket for $12. You can stay here as long as you like, hang out and just sit there and wait for the queue because there's a lot of people who wants to take selfie with the flowers and videos. So if you have more time to be here, you can just wait for them to finish and you take your time for you to able to take pictures too. So every week, I don't know, I think every 2 weeks they replace the theme. What I mean is the flowers that they put. Sometimes it will be like roses, sometimes orchids. Just depends on the theme of the flower dome. So when I was there this time at this, because I'm just, this video is kind of late upload guys, so I didn't know that the tulips really are very smell good, because tulips are not like native here in Singapore. Usually Singapore native flower are orchids, not tulips, because tulips grow, I know, in cold places. So what my favorite color there is pink. Very nice. See? And they call it Sea of Tulips. So by the way guys, my channel is new. If you like this kind of content, just give it a like and subscribe and I would really appreciate it. So this channel is about whatever I do during my day off because I only go every Sunday. So that's the only time I could make video like this. So the crowd is very nice. I mean, even though it's crowded, it's very nice and cool. So I took a lot of pictures with it and a lot of selfies. See all those people guys, they are queuing to take picture. It's not only the tulips that are here, there are other flowers too, but today's theme is about tulips. And this one is not a tulip. I don't know what it is, but I've seen some of this in the Philippines, just different color. I think red and white I've seen before. So these flowers, I don't know also what is the kind of flower is this. I am not taking notes of there you could see there is like a sign what kind of flower is it, but because I was fascinated by all of the tulips, I didn't get time to read what kind of flower is it. I just take video. And this white tulip very good too. And actually there is one place there that has a mini house, and the tulip are outside, so people really take a lot of nice selfie. But I'm sad I didn't have, cause nobody can hold my phone for me if I use my selfie stick. People will step on it, so I didn't. So these are the screen, and this one is the gift shop. When you can go out, you could buy some